I've got a long way to go as of today. I'm telling you but it's the perfect example for my summer initiative, which I had already determined was kicking off at the end of June, and this is just forcing me to do it a little bit sooner because I want to start rolling this content out. My summer series is all about gamifying learning because the course creators that I work with, and even with my marketing, I've talked a lot about results. How do we actually increase performance? How do we start tracking the metrics of courses? All of that isn't very exciting. When I talk about results, it's like, well, yeah, of course I want results. We all want results with everything we do. But what is a strategy that we can actually implement to get people excited, especially as we're heading into the summer? And the number one thing that I personally have found in my own courses and helped many clients do this as well, who were creating courses, some for academics, some for their programs themselves,